Hello, Cougar family. I'm here at the house, just like each of you, trying to figure out how to do this digitally. Well, we made it through a week of digital learning, and I think we did a pretty good job. And students, you got to do it with no cell phone or dress code policy. I'm so encouraged by the images and stories that I'm seeing and hearing from our teachers and students. All of you through social media and all the other digital platforms that you have discovered. Of course, students, we know you all had all of these apps figured out. It's been us older folks trying to figure out how to communicate digitally. I'm so proud of all of our students, parents, and teachers. You have all thrived this week to digitally figure out how to belong, have fun, and learn. A few reminders for this weekend and next week. The campus remains to be closed. That means the entire campus, the buildings, both gyms, and all outside areas. Please honor this request. Next week, expect to continue your digital learning. Teachers will again be available for communication each day. Thank you to Mrs. Dickey, her staff, and the volunteers that handed out over 4,000 meals to over 450 students. So you know, we will again be offering these meals on the same day next Wednesday. As we get new information, we will share it with our Alexander community. I know there are several questions about prom. I wish I had answers for you, but I just don't at this time. Additionally, I know our seniors are struggling with the abrupt change and their expectations for their senior year. Again, I don't have answers for you right now. What I do know is, if provided that we have an opportunity, I will be committed to making quick adjustments to provide you with activities that you have anticipated since you were a freshman. Before I sign off, I want to leave you with a few thoughts. I have been seeing several of my principal friends reading to their students and sharing messages about how to deal with this temporary adjustment. Well, Cougars, I'm not going to read you a book because I know I've already talked too much. Maybe not for you, definitely for me. So here is something more appropriate. A tweet from one of my favorite authors on leadership, John Maxwell. Seniors, if you don't know who John Maxwell is, then you need to. He's one of the best known authors on how to be a leader. And Cougars, you are leaders. John Maxwell tweets from 12/13/2019. Learning is essential to my growth and development as a leader. Everyone I encounter has something to teach me, and every day is a new opportunity to learn. I wholeheartedly believe this. I'm learning each day to be a better leader. I've learned so much this week from our teachers and students. They have all shown the ability to adjust instruction and learning in a few days, from face-to-face instruction to complete online learning. I know that next week I will continue to learn about the great characteristics of our teachers and students. All of your work this week has been inspirational. Everyone, have a blessed weekend, and we will see you digitally when you log in Monday morning to start school.